for real. We need to open it for real. Hi guys, this is Keke. So she keeps spitting her passy out, and now time to.
Okay, Rennie, so let's tell them what we're going to do for this video.
So we're going to the beach when we're celebrating
Graduations, the end of the school year. So we're going to take a beach trip, right?
Yeah, and she's gonna come back.
And we're taking baby Keke with us, right?
Yeah, and we had the stuff already, including.
Yes. So we have the things we're going to pack for the beach trip, right?
Mm-hmm.
Everything baby Keke's going to need to have fun. Okay, so now, what are we going to do tonight? We're going to feed baby Keke dinner, right? Then we'll give her a quick bath, and then we're going to put her to bed, right? Because we have an early morning to get to the beach, right? So that's what we can do. You ready to feed her dinner?
Tomorrow? It's tomorrow?
Yes, it's tomorrow. All right?
Okay,
let's get
time to
baby Keke some dinner.
Can you open this?
Mm-hmm. Get her bib around it.
Okay, here. It's not summertime yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
We need to open it for real.
We're going to just.
Open it for real.
We're not going to open it for real. We're just going to pretend.
Why? No, it's real.
Much later.
Real. It's real. It's real.
It's real.
Yes. It's real. It's real. Yes. Okay. 1 round swab. Okay?
Okay, so now, which bowl do you want her dinner in?
No, we're going to get her eat out this.
Oh, just like that. Okay, so she has, what does she have for dinner? She's going to have bananas, and I think that's a roast. Yeah, that's beef. Okay, bananas and beef. Okay.
No, we'll just spill out her chin.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, she has a milk bottle, but you're going to give her a little water. Okay.
Yeah.
Little water to wash her dinner down. Okay, baby Keke was so hungry.
Okay.
Give her a little milk too. Babies love milk.
Get all the water down there. We just gotta get her to a little minute to pee because she's now a little.
Could you give her a little milk too?
Yeah. Well, that's right there. Now sitting up. Spill down the chin. Hey, can you get it to go down there?
Okay.
Well, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it real on the beach, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna do this too and this real on the beach because she's gonna be. And we don't give her any real food. So give it a minute. Can I put in the real microwave? No.
Yeah, just a few seconds.
Yeah, like 5 minutes.
Not 5 minutes, maybe 5 seconds.
Well, 2 minutes. 2 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Still sitting in there. Okay, take off the sweat.
Hey, come on, Ren. It's time to give baby Keke her bath.
Okay.
She has an early day tomorrow.
Okay, I'm going to get her swallow it for a minute.
She may not want to swallow it tonight, Corin. Okay?
Okay.
Let's give baby Keke her. Okay, come on. Let's get baby Keke ready for her bath, okay?
And then when she's done taking her bath, we can feed her back. Okay.
After she's done with her bath, we're going to put her to bed. Then we'll pack her clothes for the beach tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, and then we can feed her that rest of that water. So this can she get refill.
Okay, I'm going to run baby Keke's water.
Can you button this?
Mm-hmm. Come on, baby Keke. Oh, you had a wonderful dinner, and now it's time for your bath.
Look, so we're gonna have this on the beach. Okay, we're gonna open it
You
for
can
real
bring that
stuff.
because she's going to have to
We're
eat
gonna open it for real and stuff.
lunch, breakfast and lunch.
We're gonna open it for real. Because
you're fussed.
yeah. She's kind of aggressive. Put it off your head. Okay.
Here we go, baby Keke.
I'm
You're
gonna
going to have
pick
her dress off of her.
I'm gonna get the rest in the bottom.
Okay, you wipe her up and I'll run her back for her, okay?
Well, we need real. So this gonna be a little water in here.
Okay, you can just use the bar soap for it.
Okay.
Here. Go ahead, wash baby Keke.
She's gonna sit in there for a few minutes.
It's getting late and baby Keke has an early beach visit tomorrow. Come on, baby Keke.
Well, no, because she's gonna pee in here. She's gonna pee in here.
Yeah, so don't give that to her, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna change her in the morning because she's gonna be late. Okay, guys, we're gonna end this video in 5 more minutes. Okay? Okay, guys. Yeah.
Oh, she's all nice.
Let me pack her.
Corinne.
Mom, she's gonna pack her something.
Okay. Take her out.
I'm gonna get her dry by herself.
Could you dry her off? Come on, baby Keke has to get to bed.
Okay. I'm gonna get her to sit here for a minute. Okay, dry. Now dry. Actually, we need a real tub. Mom, we need a real tub for doll babies.
Okay.
Because she is real dirty. She's real dirty.
Okay, baby Keke is all nice and fresh and clean for her bedtime.
Can you get this the
Now
rest
you have to.
to her?
You want to sing her a lullaby?
No.
Lullaby, baby Keke, good night.
Don't say baby Keke. Because she's gonna wake up.
Okay. There we go. Okay. Ready, Ren?
Mm-hmm.
Here.
And then I'm gonna feed her the rest of the drink.
Here you go.
I'm gonna feed her the rest.
Aww. There you go.
I'm gonna feed her the rest of the day of her water. Okay. Yeah, bye. Bye. Okay, going down there easily. Mom's going down there easily. In the morning, she's gonna be wink. I'm gonna have to get. So we're gonna pack those 3. So this is for tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just gonna put it right here. Yeah, it's already gone down there.
Okay. Let's get baby Keke to bed. Come on.
Okay, wrap her up. Got it over right there. Okay, wrap her up. Wrap her up. Cover her face a little bit. I need the rag so I can wipe her face.
You have a rag. You can go right here.
Is it under here? This rag. This bracelet. Okay, Mom, I'm gonna give her to you. Using her lullaby. The rag is right here.
Goodbye, baby. Good night,
Oh,
baby.
here.
Good night. Goodbye, baby. Good night, baby. Keke. Good night.
Keke.
Oh, you have a beautiful day planned tomorrow.
Okay,
You're
Mom,
going to enjoy some fun in the sun at the beach. Okay? And we're going to get you all packed. Good night, baby Keke. Sweet dreams.
Okay, we're going to end this video until we pack for days.
Okay, wait a minute. This is not going to fit, baby. So, we'll just take that and put that in the car. Okay? But yes, you need your food. Okay, so
yeah, I need my phone.
Let's explain what we have.
Mom, I need my phone.
So,
I need
for
my phone.
lunch,
Mama, I need this phone.
yes, you need
This
always.
is my business phone, so I can call the doctor.
Yes, in
doctor.
case you need to, right? Okay.
If she's doing up sand, if she swallowed sand.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have my business phone, so I can call the doctor. Put this in here, and the baby. Bananas.
Some of her breakfast and her lunch.
And this is...
That's beef for her lunch. That's some animal
this
crackers
is
as
animal
a
crackers.
snack.
And this is great.
Okay.
This is the bottom.
Fruit.
Yeah.
Ice cream. Whoa, you have to, let's explain what we have.
So
Okay.
this...
Go ahead.
So this is the ear and the nose. So
Cleaner.
cleaner. And this is the ice cream.
Ice cream for a hot summer day on the beach,
And
right?
this is the wipes.
Baby wipes.
And the bottle.
Extra bottle.
And the bottle.
Yes.
Sick.
Play toys for baby Keke, right? Okay, and let's tell them what we have for lunch plan.
Another bottle.
Yeah, extra bottle, because babies drink a lot of bottles, right? Okay, so for lunch, she's going to have mac and cheese, carrots and peas, and either mandarin oranges or bananas, right? Okay, that's her bowl.
And this is another bowl.
For breakfast, you have
This is
some
another
bananas.
bus. This is another bus.
Yes, for grooming.
This is where's the comb? Where's the comb, Mom?
Let's see, where's the comb? I'm not sure where the comb is. Oh, right here.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
And the bus, and another bus, and a comb, and here, and a rattle,
Another piece of toy.
and
Okay, another toy. Baby keys.
baby keys.
Because Keke loves her keys,
Whoa.
right?
I forgot to grab the holder.
Yep. How many diapers do you have? Count your diapers.
1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, 6 diapers. That sounds about right. Okay.
Put that stuff in here.
Okay.
And the plate. Yeah.
Extra plate you may need. Okay.
And the potty. And the bottle. And the banana. And the melon.
Okay. You have 2 extra
And
bibs.
this is
2 extra bibs.
Vegetables.
Okay.
Okay, and another orange juice.
We have
And
2.
a whip and a headband.
3 changing of clothes.
Yeah,
Right? Okay, because babies are messy, right?
And soap. Do you need soap?
I don't think we need the soap.
And
Okay.
this stuff it on.
And this is her snack pod, right? Like a case. Okay.
Okay.
And a spoon for
ta-da,
baby
lotion.
Keke. And lotion. Okay. Now we may have to put this kind of like that. Let's see if we can close it. No, we don't need the iron on the beach, right? We don't need that on the beach.
Well, we need this.
Yeah, but you can just carry that in the car, okay? Let's see if we can close this bag. Okay, with any luck. There we go. All right, baby Keke's all packed and ready to go.
Got it.
Yes, so she's ready for the beach.
Whoa.
And remember, we're going to take her sitter, right? And this extra blanket to spread out on the sand, right? Okay, and
I go put this.
we'll also take another blanket
Mom,
to put over her, right?
Mom,
For the
I'll
sun
remind
protection.
you. Mom, I'll remind you of this bag, okay?
Okay, so let's show them what we have packed for baby Keke. So
So
sitter.
I'm going there like this. Mom, wake up, wake up, wake up!
Okay,
I'm so excited. I got Keke ready. Wake up!
that's right. Okay, so there we go. So baby Keke is ready for
Baby Keke.
bed. She's already in bed.
Okay, on a tree top, when the wind blows, they go will up. Mommy will can't see, the cradle will fall. We're gonna buckle her up.
Okay, so let's set this so she can recline for the night, okay? You see, so it won't rock and wake her up. Okay. Did she fall asleep? Almost. Okay. She's pretty close. Okay, so let's tell our friends good night, and we'll see them next time. Ren,
Good night. We're gonna see you next time.
we'll catch you on the next video.
Yeah. Catch our next video because we're gonna wake up and go to the beach.
Okay,
can you
kiddos.
undo this?
Don't forget to like, share,
Mom,
subscribe.
can you undo this? Mom,
Thanks
can
for
you
watching our video. Thanks for watching us get baby Keke ready for her beach adventure.
Mom, this